A gente que acaba de pasar un huracán, ¿entiendes? Es una cosa tan absurda.
So she said that he was throwing toilet paper to people.
Sanitary
paper.
Yeah. Sanitary towels.
Towels.
At the people after the hurricane. And toilet paper.
Yeah.
It was everything, sanitary and toilet paper. But after the hurricane, he was throwing like a donation, like from him to them after the hurricane.
O sea, es una cosa que tú no puedes aceptar que haga nadie, pero mucho menos el presidente de un país como ese.
You can accept that no one could do that, not even him.
Yeah, it's hard to believe, isn't it?
So my question is, how have you kept the passion and hope alive for Cuba to be free from the blockade? Obviously it's been going on for a very long time now. So how do you keep this passion alive and the hope that one day Cuba will be free and independent?
¿Cómo mantienes la pasión y la esperanza viva de que en algún momento Cuba pueda volver a ser libre?
Cuba es libre.
Cuba es libre. Cuba is free.
No, that from the blockade and all.
Por el bloqueo.
Sí.
Y tenemos confianza en que un día el pueblo de Estados Unidos despertará.
We believe that one day North America will wake up.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the 20th century, it was said that capitalism triumphed over communism, and that battle has been won. I was wondering what you think we as a capitalist society can learn from communism.
¿Qué crees tú que la sociedad capitalista puede aprender del comunismo?
¿De la sociedad socialista?
Sí.
Y muchísimo. Lo que pasa es que no tiene interés en aprender nada.
The thing is that they don't mind, they don't care learning anything from it.
Una sociedad muy diferente.
It's a different society.
Y en la sociedad socialista lo más importante es el ser humano.
And in this society the most important is the human being.
Y la sociedad capitalista es el dinero, el capital.
And in capitalism is the money.
Okay. You once said that your father's ideas would last as long as there is injustice in the world. If your father was alive today, what would you think would most upset him in the world today?
Una vez tu papá dijo que sus ideas durarían tanto como la injusticia en el mundo. Entonces, ¿qué crees tú que tu padre pensaría si estuviera? ¿Qué es lo que más le molestaría a él si él viviera hoy?
A ver, yo nunca pongo en boca de mi papá palabras mías, porque lo respeto a él mucho.
Okay. So I never put words of my father's in my mouth.
Okay.
Yeah, because I respect him.
Okay.
Pero si tú lees al Che,
But
por
if
las
you read
cosas
the
que él
Che,
escribió,
if you read what he wrote,
vas a encontrar la respuesta en sus escritos.
you're gonna find the answers in
Por ejemplo,
his writings.
en un momento determinado él pidió crear 2, 3, muchos Vietnam.
Okay, so at some point he asked to create a lot of Vietnam.
Nosotros no logramos hacer esos realidad.
We didn't succeed in doing it.
Pero el gobierno de Estados Unidos hoy
But the U.S. government today
está creando esos Vietnam.
is creating them.
Está Corea del Norte,
It's North Korea,
Siria,
Syria,
Irán,
Iran,
Irak,
Iran,
Pakistán,
Pakistan,
Venezuela, Bolivia,
Bolivia.
Cuba. Hay demasiados Vietnam para que el pulpo de Estados Unidos pueda tocarlos todos.
There are a lot of
Vietnams.
Vietnams, so that the North American people can
Para que el pulpo estadounidense pueda tocarlos a todos.
can touch all of them.
Él mismo se va debilitando.
It's weakening himself.
¿Entiendes eso?
Do you know what she means?
No. I didn't.
Mira, crear focos de liberación en distintas partes del mundo.
to create freedom objectives.
Okay.
Eso es Vietnam.
That is everything.
En la época en que él vivió, Vietnam era el país que estaba luchando contra Estados Unidos.
Okay. When cuando te refieres a él, te refieres
Mi
a-
papá.
Okay. When Che lived,
Mm-hmm.
Vietnam was the small one.
Was the focus of
Was
the
the focus of-
struggle.
Was the focus of
Yeah.
the struggle, okay.
Ya,
Yeah.
por eso él decía crear 2, 3, muchos Vietnam.
Okay, that's why he was saying that they needed to create 1, 2, or 3 Vietnam.
Okay.
To help
Porque son-
liberate the world.
Muchos pueblos que para liberarse.
Yeah, to liberate the world.
Okay, yeah.
Ahora no logramos eso nosotros, hacerlo.
Now we didn't achieve.
Pero el gobierno de Estados Unidos
But the US government
está creando focos en distintas partes del
in
mundo
different parts of the world
que hace que él se debilite,
that makes the US become weaker.
porque no puede atacar a Corea del Norte, a Siria, a Irán, a Cuba, a Venezuela. No puede a la misma vez, no
Because we
puede.
can attack Syria, Korea, and all these
Yeah.
countries at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
¿Ya?
Yeah, thank you.
Right. So you talked about communism being about the people. I'd ask, why is communism in the 20th century, especially in history, always led to mass bloodshed and dictatorship?
Can you repeat that?
So you said earlier, you mentioned that communism is about the people.
Okay. Tú dijiste antes que el socialismo es acerca de la gente.
So why has it in the 20th century in the past always led to bloodshed and dictatorship?
So, entonces,
Or
como-
to murder?
Él pregunta por qué hay mucha sangre y guerras
Sí.
al fin del comunismo.
Para crear el comunismo, para llegar al
Sí,
comunismo.
sí.
Porque los capitalistas
Because
de
the
ninguna
capitalists
manera nos regalan la libertad.
don't want to give them the freedom.
Hay que conquistarla.
Because capitalism do not give they don't just give you the freedom.
You have to
You have
fight
to
for
to conquer it.
Marx pensaba que estas grandes sociedades capitalistas
Marx used to think that these big capitalist societies,
un día, por el gran desarrollo industrial, la clase obrera se daría cuenta de que podría vivir mejor de otra manera.
because of the Industrial Revolution, would realize that they are able to live in this way.
¿Ah? Y de manera casi natural, los obreros tomarían el poder.
And by instinct, I guess, they would take
Karl
power.
Marx thought that the workers would be able to take control of the societies almost naturally, that they would win the class struggle.
Sin embargo, la vida demostró otras cosas,
Life showed something else.
porque a veces en las situaciones, en los pueblos que viven con más dificultad,
Because sometimes in the towns where they live with more difficulties,
la explotación se siente más, hay más opresión sobre la
the
gente.
oppression is on people.
Y entonces la gente reacciona ante
So
eso,
people react.
porque llega un momento en que tú te preguntas,
You ask,
¿voy a morir de hambre o voy a morir intentando cambiar esta realidad?
am I going to die because of hunger, or am I going to die trying to change this reality?
Y los pueblos deciden vivir,
And people decide to live.
entonces luchan por su libertad.
So they fight for their freedom.
¿Ya?
Yeah, cool.
So my question is, what are your thoughts on the US and Israel's government's recent decision to vote in favour of the blockade at the UN again?
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you repeat?
Oh,
it?
sorry, that's it. So my question is, what are your thoughts on the US and Israel government's recent decision to vote in favour of the blockade at the UN again?
Okay, ¿qué opinas sobre los Estados Unidos e Israel hayan votado a favor del bloqueo?
Era de esperar.
It was expecting it.
She was expecting.
She was expecting it.
Sí, son dos gobiernos que uno provocó el bloqueo, ¿verdad?
There were two things. Yeah, one provoked the blockade,
Y el otro
and the other one
es íntimo amigo del primero.
is best friend of the other one. It's a close friend.
Actúan de manera similar
They act in a similar way.
y se apoyan mutuamente en los grandes desastres que hoy vive la humanidad.
And they support each other in the biggest disasters.
Disasters in the world.
Disasters in the world, yeah.
Mhm.
So that's why I guess why it was expected, but
So
Era de esperar que reaccionaran así.
it was expected that they would going to
they
react
would react, yeah.
this way. Yeah.
Okay.
They voted that way,
That way,
for the
yeah.
last 20
Ever
years.
since,
yeah.
yeah, it's not going to change.
It's their blockade and the
Mm.
Israelis follow them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so one more question
Yeah,
each.
sure.
I think in your last answer you talked about the sort of the struggle of the people in the revolutions. Yeah.
Okay. La última vez hablaste sobre como las dificultades que tenía el pueblo.
So when the revolution is
Cuando
finished,
la revolución se termine.
so in Russia you have the Bolshevik Revolution and Lenin takes over and then Stalin. Why do you think the communism ended the way it did?
¿Por qué crees que el socialismo terminó de la manera en la que terminó?
It ended up more as a sort of fascist state rather than a communist state, which was what was intended.
Más y más
Why?
fascismo.
Yeah, why did it not go the way it was supposed to? I suppose I'm asking.
¿Por qué no?
I'm not sure she's going to agree with you.
That's what I was hoping.
Él dice,
Es difícil.
¿por qué piensas que la revolución soviética terminó como se terminó? El dicho, al primero fue socialista, pero al fin fue fascista, como fascista, dice él.
Fascismo.
Bueno, a ver, una cosa.
One thing.
Los peores reaccionarios
The worst reactors
son los que una vez se hicieron pasar por gente que pensaba de otra manera.
are those who once were covered thinking, making others think that they think another way, in another way.
Yeah.
Los peores reaccionarios son las personas que antes se hacían pasar por personas que decían que creían en otras cosas.
Okay, so the worst reactors are the ones that those who who said that they believed in something else, but they didn't actually
Ajá.
did it.
La revolución socialista en la Unión Soviética está hecha también por hombres y por mujeres.
So men and women are part of this revolution.
Y desgraciadamente se cometieron errores muy graves.
Unfortunately, there were very big mistakes.
Uno de ellos
One of them
es que el gobierno se separó de la realidad que vivía el pueblo.
is that the government separated from the reality of the people.
Y eso es fatal para un proceso revolucionario.
And that is fatal in a
Revolutionary
revolutionary
process.
process.
Si tú no estás identificado con tu pueblo,
If you are not identified with your,
no sabes las
People.
dificultades que vive el pueblo,
you don't know the difficulties that people are living with.
¿cómo vas a trabajar por ellos?
How are you going to work for them?
Eso es uno de los problemas que empezó a aparecer en la Unión Soviética.
That's one of the problems that
Hubo una,
Soviet Union.
digamos, una parte de esa sociedad que se separó de lo que realmente vivía el pueblo.
So there was a part of the society that separated from the town, from what
From
was
the
living
ordinary
in-
people.
Yeah.
There was a bureaucracy.
Por otra parte,
On the other side,
la Unión Soviética se desgastó mucho en otros proyectos, como por ejemplo la parte esta de el universo, de los viajes al universo, la carrera espacial.
so on the other side, the Soviet Union is focused on another projects such as the
Space race.
space race. Yeah.
Y se descuidó en apoyar a los movimientos revolucionarios que estaban existiendo.
And stopped supporting the revolutionary
Process around the world.
process around the world.
¿Mm? Eso hace que se pierda la coordinación en una sociedad como la socialista.
That makes the balance. That makes the society lose the balance.
Si tú no puedes decir una cosa y hacer otra.
You cannot say one thing and do another thing.
tiene que haber una ética
There
revolucionaria.
must be an ethic, a revolutionary ethic.
Y si esa ética no se cumple,
It's not accomplished,
poco a poco se va degradando la sociedad.
then it's losing. It
The
loses.
society will be
Yeah.
degraded.
Yeah.
Hay muchos problemas internos también en Rusia, en la Unión Soviética.
There are a lot of problems in
Soviet
in
Union.
Soviet Union.
Sí, era un país multinacional
It was a multicultural.
y
society.
cada uno de ellos con sus propias
And it
problemas y sus propias culturas.
Multinational society
Multinational,
with lots
yeah.
of different cultures.
Yes.
¿Ya? Entonces, es muy difícil realmente la situación soviética,
It is very hard the situation,
pero lo más importante para nosotros
but the most important for us
es que la dirigencia soviética se desligó de la realidad que vivía el pueblo.
is that the dirigencia, is
The leadership
the leadership, yeah, separated from
lost
Yeah.
the contact with the people.
Pero esto, a su vez, nos ha ayudado a nosotros también.
help us.
¿Por
But
qué?
the Soviet Union helped them.
Yeah.
Nosotros comenzamos a ver estos errores no los podemos cometer.
We
¿Entiendes?
started to to be aware that these mistakes, we couldn't make these mistakes.
They learned from their mistakes
Yeah.
to not make the same mistakes.
Yes.
Aún antes de desaparecer la Unión Soviética, ya Cuba comenzó un proceso de rectificación de errores.
So even before, can you repeat that? Sorry.
Cuba comenzó un proceso de
Cuba started-
rectificación de errores.
Okay, so Cuba started to try to make less mistakes to recover from it.
¿Ya?
Yeah. Fantastic.
Working.
Entonces no es el socialismo,
So it's
sino
not the communism,
es la gente que lo
people
practica,
that practice.
la que comete los errores.
the one that makes mistakes.
Lo que sí te puedo asegurar
What I can tell you
es que la sociedad capitalista
is that capitalism
no ha resuelto el problema de la mayor parte de la humanidad en más de 200 años de dominación.
hasn't solved any.
The great problems of society
the
have
great
not been
problems of
solved by
society.
200 years of capitalism.
¿Ya?
Look around you. Look
Entonces,
across the third world.
hay que buscar otra solución.
So we need
That's
to find another
capitalism.
solution.
Yeah. Gracias.
They've had 200 years to
Thank
try
you very much,
and they
Gracias.
failed.
It's interesting. It's the divide between the haves and the have nots.
So, thank you so much.
tomar la foto contigo?
Can I take a picture with you? ¿Puedo tomar una foto contigo?
Sí, claro.
Thank you very much.
No, yo voy a
Pretty,
Oh yeah, sure. Carla, ¿quieres que te
Ah,
or do
sí,
you
sí,
want
sí, por favor. Sí, so if you come, right.
Did you all want to vote? Are you getting together or? What we doing?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, Carl.
So we have
Okay. We're going off in 2 cars, are we?
Yeah.
Now here, please. Here. 1, 2.
We'll have to get
Thank you.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah, well, we can drop them.
I
We'll
will
go,
go-
we'll
we'll
go
go
in the
sentados.
same direction.
Acá.
Yeah.
Parados acá.